Esisiaklu angaje pena Apalasan luko somero kalo senior lu St. Paul koje Katakwi Town Council kesati bonget kana Apalasan opoto Eraata ikitolu edole tiuni alarona somero keche nepepe kaishana kina keche kanu aitiktik ekuselo ikwamin.
Parce qu'ici à Katakwi, on produit beaucoup. Les mapendis fait très bien ici à Katakwi, dans la région de Tesson, tout près de Karamoja.
Julius Kambale Mwemba ishana kinanlo Apalasan ngesi abala ebe jasi kesi ka aita poite na aira ikitolu edoleta kwatare toma osomero akwatare kakwapuo kano ayuara ekuselo ikwamin.
As an association of teachers of French in Uganda, we came up with a project of 200 schools, 200 trees. Therefore, we don't want these learners to only think that they are just learning French. Yes, they can learn French, but also they should learn how to protect their environment. St. Paul is among those 200 schools. That's why we have planted trees, especially these fruit trees.
Ayatakit Kambale ebe ipu achokishonu kopana itorit akwa woko kotupitete ekuselo ikwamin. Obu isinyiko ikesisiak aisisha angaje pena nara ipu akwa pino alo mutu kidena Afrika nu inerasi angaje pena.
Everywhere, you hear Bududa, you hear Kasese, floods everywhere. So we think this one can help these learners. It's their responsibility to protect their mother Earth planet. That's why we came up with that. Please continue learning French as you protect your environment. French is not a local language, it's an international language, which will enable these learners at least to achieve a lot in their future. Since we have French-speaking countries that have joined.
Kina kaluko somero kalo kesopotu itodiasi akechaya lama nejai atukotona.
Akoto maisi alami kineriongete Apalasan lo Uganda. Ano ase kun St. Paul kape somero. Ano aisisha nakin angaje pengin. Iyalama sonoi. Yang autos lole kito. Aijai kini dua tukotono sinia 1 keda sinia 2 duelu musisha eta palanchan. Peka atawa ilele no. Otupteti kuselo ikwamini todi kini lo community boni be koto kwesi ai tigogo ngora kroto na ira ikito ai dara environment work.
Bonjour. Polo nga yalama noi kano a jokisina shoman na tolo mo angajepe na afuransan. Isisiana kino ko St. Paul ai tagaro sinia 1 kede sinia 2. Ido eraina ngajepe na engai kini koku asomu kingana ko Uganda eranga jepe na akopoke.
Opot ishisha isinyiko eksi ikecha pau aishisha angajepe na.
Arenge shisha na Apalasan awatare ai chok aisha na ki aisinyiko ikini ka paper enyiko isi aishisha ngajepe na Apalasan teteroni dumuni nuipu oingaren kotoja porori kingangina ojenja Apalasan pere adumunu nuipu dum jarere shisha nata shisha to Apalasan. Bonjour, it means to say good morning or good afternoon at any time.
Pour la formation de pluie, meaning it helps in the formation of rainfall. Pour le contrôler de l'érosion, meaning it helps to control soil erosion. I feel very good when I'm learning French, and I feel like I should also fly to France.
What? Kanuka TV East, France Ocean, Kodisuta Kalo Katakwi.
Je voudrais aussi quand même remercier à l'association des professeurs de français en Ouganda pour venir avec ce projet.